Oh, what a splendid idea. Too bad that's for girls. I had one of you guys in the comments be like, there's no way this guy's savage enough to break all these phones. He must be fake. So I thought I'd prove it this time. Call me Savage Man Brand. How about that? Sounds a little weird, actually. So I'm not gonna lie, man. At first I was a little iffy on making a Fashion Nova video. Thought it might make me look like a little bit of a p***. But then I showed my girlfriend this comment, kind of told her about this idea, and she's like, actually, it might not be a bad one. Apparently, Fashion Nova's got a men's section. This isn't sponsored at all, by the way. Apparently, they got a men's section that's really cheap, and she said at the very least, they got a lot of hot chick models on there that we could show the boys. And from there, it's a no-brainer. We all know NameBran's for the boys. So because I've actually never shopped this website, I don't know what to expect. I actually kind of want to do what we do with the rapper series that we do, where I actually go shopping online with you guys, get a little smoky, if y'all know what I'm saying, and then we buy the stuff. So within this video, you guys are gonna see me purchasing the stuff, and then we're gonna wait a day or two. Apparently they have really fast shipping, then we'll unbox all the stuff. And I also want to say, anything we purchase in this video, for the most part, I might want to keep something. We will be giving away to you guys. All you guys gotta do is thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, turn the notifications on. Whoa! I'm feeling good after almost dying because I lost breath. And I'll let you guys know what you have to do at the end of this video, the last step in order to win these items. That being said, boys, let's go check out some boobies on Fashion Nova. I'm stoked. I guess I'll also buy stuff, but that comes second, I think. Alright, I'm ready. I think this is gonna be an experience. Alright, fashionnova.com. Oh my god, look at you. Are you ever perfect? Okay, anyway, our main goal right now, I'm trying to find some cheap stuff. I don't really know if I want to like look at clothing and all that. I don't really think like people are really into that right now. Shop all. Okay, let's just do it. I even tell my finger to do that. Well hung. Okay, I like that. I just want that. You know, when in doubt, guys, just put a big lie on your shirt and make people think that you're dope. We're gonna add that to bag right off the bat. All right, so new arrivals, just go this. We're gonna shop it. I think once again, we're gonna find like maybe the cheapest accessories or like cheap rapper stuff. This is sick. Damn it, that's awesome. I don't even want to be shopping clothing. Look at this dude's hairline too, man. Fuck you, dick. God damn it. I posted that ear video yesterday. It's like my biggest secret. You guys got that to 100K views, so I appreciate that. And then somebody in the comments, they're like, his next biggest secret, that damn hairline. So I appreciate that, bro. For sure, let my ego hang on that one. All right, so if you guys see anything dope that I should have bought, that you guys don't see me, what's that say? Foo. Oh, F you. Oh, so cool, man. Love that, for sure. We got fake Gucci. This is all stupid. What a dumb website. Okay, hold on 1 second. This is gonna get off track real quick. I just gotta see what they're talking about when they're talking about chicks. You know what I mean? Let's go. Sweaters. No, I don't want to see a chick in a sweater. What am I thinking? No. Bathing suits. Not looking at the girls yet. Oh, it was no lie. Bruh, I'm gonna have to forget the P-Ron websites for now. This is a new thing, bro. Oh my God. Look at you. Look at you. All of you. Oh my Jesus. Sorry, keep on track, Brad. Keep on track. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Birthday suit. Oh, I thought it said birthday slut. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna meet up with you. Sorry, girlfriend, if you're watching. You're dope. Go on men's accessories. Try to find some cheap crap. Also, I do want to say, oh, they actually have some crap on here, bro. Bro, your nose looks weird. You look like you got snot hanging from your schnozzle right there. I would never get one of those if I were myself, but hey, I'm not about to knock it. We're gonna add that to cart. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be buying or like what you guys see me add to cart. I don't know if it's gonna be what it is, but I'm definitely going to be purchasing stuff after and making sure that I get the best stuff. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Hey man, let's just look like I'm about to go snowboarding, always. For $9.99, just kidding, I want them. That's sick actually, dope deal. Fashion Nova, if you're watching this video, either one, hook me up with one of your models, or two, sponsor me. Either will work. I'm fine with either of those things. That would be great. Thank you so much. My main, whoa. I'm feeling good. Rompers. I think those are the things that have low cut for your boobies. And I'm not gonna lie, it might be kind of curves. Oh my God, bro. Wow, look at the models on this website. So I'm going way off track, bro. I'm in another light year right now, but wow. You look like Kylie Jenner, baby. Look, curves on you. What the hell is on your face? Oh no, that's on my computer screen. She looked like she had like a big mole, like half the size of her face. Anyway, wow. This is a great website. I really am digging this website so far. Okay, sorry, back to guy stuff. Oh my god. Wow. All right. Anyway, sorry boys. So, I'm gonna keep looking at the other stuff. So far on this website, I do see a lot of stuff is really cheap, which is dope. I like cheap things, and well, I don't really care actually. I actually try to wear expensive things, even though I wear this hoodie all the time. Shout out to X, I think he's dope. Key necklace, that's kind of dope. It's kind of blinged out a little bit. If I were to wear one of these, it would be real for sure, but I can't afford that yet. Once again, that YouTube check money's coming in real soon though, so we'll be Gucci. Thank you guys for that, by the way. Y'all made me broke to rich real quick. And ain't nobody gonna tell you that, because everyone's like, oh, you don't want to talk about money and like make your viewers think that you're about the money. I ain't about the money, but I'm gonna say no to it. Absolutely not. Like, y'all made me get a lot of money. I'm not gonna not talk about that. That's sick, which is why we do so many giveaways. My part-time job right now is shipping shit out, which is fine. I'm totally fine with that. This is dope, actually. $19.99, 0 reviews. Oh, I'm gonna rate it 5-star before I get it, just to be first. Hey, we got a baby. That's kind of funny. I want like a fetus on my shirt. I think that would be funny. just like an unborn fetus, like a picture of a fetus, like when it's in the stomach. I think that'd be a funny shirt, and I want it. And then like at the bottom, it'll say like, I'm gonna call him NameBran Jr. Yeah, somebody make me that. I think that's hilarious. Tops. Yeah, let's go tops. Let's see what girls look like in tops on this website. I respect women, by the way. So don't think I'm not respecting women by doing this. Actually, I'm overly respecting you by complimenting every part of your perfect body. Oh my god. Wow. But even if you're fat, I like you. I should say that. I'm really digging myself a hole here, aren't I? But wow. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done. Anyway, boys, that's this with the website. I don't know what I've put in my cart or anything like that, but next time I see you guys, we will be unboxing this probably in the next day or two whenever I get it in the mail. Good luck on the giveaway. Now let's head over to the Bat Cave, shall we? 2 days later, the package is here, boys! Now before we get into anything too crazy, I want to give a big shout out to FashionNova.com. They make sure to run over your shit with a bus before sending it out to you. That's awesome. I love tire tracks all over my shit. Anyway, got the package, about to open it. I'm actually kind of scared right now because I have a goddamn t-shirt in here, or whatever this is. It's a shirt and I didn't order any. Ow! God, what hurt there? No! No! Okay, we got this. I don't even know what that is, but I don't feel any goggles. Awesome, man. So great. Let's start with the thing that I didn't ask for. Bro, does it look like I'm gonna wear this? Do I look like a guy that wears polos? No, I don't. I look like an asshole. Great, we have a shirt that's gonna make me look like a fucking idiot. Anyway, let's get into the stuff I actually ordered. I think I'm gonna have to hit up Fashion Nova and threaten them. I want my goggles or a model. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh, we got a bunch of goodies. Okay, so we've never unboxed rings on this channel. Now, I'm a big fan of rings. I have a bunch more. This one I always wear is my dad's old wedding ring, and then he passed away, so I thought I'd put it on. Not on my wedding ring head, but it just reminds me, hey, my dad had a successful relationship. You should too, Bran. I guess they got divorced, but anyway, so first thing we got here is a sick blinged out ring. Y'all saw me look at this one on the website. We got the blinged out gold ring right here. I'm gonna just send this out to one of you guys because I doubt it fits. It fits perfectly, damn it! Gold ring, dope, FashionNova.com. One of you guys is gonna get this. That's a damn fact. Okay, so I forgot I got 2 pairs of glasses. These ones are the less cool ones, I guess. The goggles is what I really wanted, but we got aviators right here. I just thought they were sick. They were like $3 after the discount, and here's how they look. Oh yeah, I look awful. I look like a goddamn fly. I look like I'm gonna go buzz around your picnic grounds and piss you off a little bit. Alright, next up. Oh yeah, okay, we got a watch. This one's sick. As y'all can see, we got a gold one right here with diamonds on it and shit. New York, London, it says on it. Very dope. Definitely gonna give this away. I don't need the watch. I got an Apple Watch that I still don't even wear yet. So this is very dope. FashionNova.com. I think this is like $5 or something like that with the diamonds on it. Very dope. Not much more to say. Next. Oh, it's like Christmas. Yeah. So we got another ring. Had to do it. We never. Oh, damn, bro. The next ring, I actually really dig circular rings. It's kind of one of my favorite things right now, even though this might look like a girl's ring for sure. We got diamonds all over this thing. These are actually really good fake diamonds. My god. Supreme Patty, learn a thing or two. Yours suck. Not gonna lie. If you're watching this, Patty, I'm just kidding. I hope we hang out sometime. Alright, this last thing, y'all are real. Oh, shoot. Dude, wow. Whoa, this is huge. Yeah, oh my god. This is much bigger than it showed on the website, too. As y'all can see, bro, we got the iced out diamond right here, man, which is kind of ironic because it's actually fake diamonds on a big fake diamond. Oh, I feel like little pump feel like a little pump jet ski on a flipping bus right now, which is cooler than just on a jet ski. I'm on a jet ski on a bus. That's that, bro. Oh my god, I'm for sure gonna give this away. I might use it for a prank video coming up. I might do that, not sure. Sometimes I use these props and then give it away, but this thing is wild, bro. If you guys want to win the giveaway for any of these things, the last step you guys gotta do, you probably already know this by now, is follow the Instagram and leave a message saying you entered, and that's how I pick you guys. It's just easier that way. Also give me a follow on there, it'd be sick. That's how you do it, boys. Also, just let me know down below in your comment what you think about these shopping videos, especially when I'm shopping online. I hope that you guys find them entertaining. I think they're entertaining because I actually just get to talk to you guys. I love doing them. But that's all I wanted to know from you guys. Appreciate y'all from watching this video. This is the blingage that we got. Y'all are murking the game, the greatest of all time. Leave a comment down below also saying that I'm dope. Thanks, man. Wow.